Okay, when you do a competitor research or competitor analysis in order to see what backlinks they have so that you can create the same backlinks for your site or your client site, you can come across a situation where you have a list of backlinks or URLs from the same domains. For example, as you can see, I have a list, and this list has backlinks from the same domain here, YouTube, from Google Plus, and so on. So what I want to do is make sure that my list has only one link per domain. So I want to have just one link, one URL from YouTube in this list, only one URL from Google Plus in this list, and so on. So here's what you need to do in order to make that happen. The first thing is to just grab this column by the letter of the column and drag it to position number 1. So it's the first column. Now we want to fix the first row so that we can have it fixed, and when we scroll up and down we can see which column it is. So for that you need to select the number of the row, okay? Then go to View, then Freeze, and select one row. So this way, as you can see, we made it so that when we scroll up or down we still can see what row it is. Okay, now we want to create a new column to the right of this one. So for that I just roll over this triangle icon, click it, and select Insert One Right. That will insert another column to the right of the first column. Now I just adjust the width a little bit. You want to click the first cell in, actually it's cell number 2, but in the list it's the first cell. So we can just click it here. And now you want to insert the following chunk of code. So I am inserting this code here. And as you can see, what it does, it just extracts the actual domain name from this link. So it was the whole page URL, and what we got here, with the help of the code, we just extracted the actual domain name. And that's pretty much what we want to do for the rest of the URLs. In order to do that, you want to copy the cell, the first cell, then click the second row in the same column. Now we want to scroll down so that we can select all the remaining cells. So you want to scroll down to the very bottom. Now hold down Shift so that you can select everything in this column, and click the last cell in this column. So hold down Shift, select. Now you want to right click on this blue highlighted area and select Paste Special. It's very important to select this option. Then go to Paste Formula Only and click it. So as you can see, now we extracted just domain names from URLs in column A. So the URL, the extracted domain name, the URL, the extracted domain name, and so on. So let's scroll up to the very top, and now as you can see, we have this list, and we can clearly see that we have duplicates here, right? What we need to do now is automatically remove duplicates, because you don't want to do it manually, especially if you have a big, really big list of domains, backlinks. So in order to do that, you need to install an add-on, a browser add-on. Just go to Add-ons, click Get Add-ons, and search for Remove Duplicates. Click Enter, and here is the add-on that you want to install. In my case, it's already installed, and if you don't have it installed, you will have this button, the plus free button, which you can click and have it installed on your computer on your browser. So let's just close out of this window by clicking the cross sign here. Now, since I have this plugin installed, and again, you need to proceed only if you have this plugin installed. Now you want to select the whole column B by clicking the letter. Now go to Add-ons, select Remove Duplicates, and then go to Find Duplicates or Uniques. Click it now. That done, you should have this dialog window. Now just click Next. It will give you a warning that if you have 10,000 plus cells, it'll take a while to do the work, which is okay. That's why I click the OK button. Now make sure that you have this option selected, Duplicates. Click Next. Here everything should be as is. Just make sure that you have this checkbox ticked, because it will make sure that it will not work on the first row, which is the header. So my column has header, and we want to have it ticked. We want to have this checkbox ticked because we do have a header. Okay. Once you make sure that it's set up like this, click the Next button. Now, it's very important to make sure that you have the Add a Status column checkbox ticked, not Fill with color, not anything else, but specifically Add a Status column. What it will do, it will create a new column which will allow us to easily see which row has a duplicate domain name. So once it's selected, just click Finish, and it may take a while till it processes everything. Again, if you have a huge list, it may take, I don't know, up to a minute to process everything. But if your list is not that big, it's going to be sooner. So once you can see this message, duplicate values have been found and marked in a status column, you want to click Close. And now you have a brand new column, which is called Duplicates Node, which has this value which defines the rows with the duplicate domain names. So here is the first occurrence of this domain name, so we don't have the duplicate value. And these are duplicates because we already have YouTube here, youtube.com here. So what you want to do now is delete all the rows with the duplicate value. In order to do that, you want to select the whole column. Just click the letter of this column to select the whole column. Right click, go to Sort Sheet A to Z, and now it will just sort it like this, which will allow you to see all the rows with the duplicate value. Now select the first row here, scroll down to the last row with the duplicate value, and we want to do it so that we can easily just select the whole range. In order to do that, hold down Shift and click the number of the last row with the duplicate value. Now right click, select Delete Rows. It will show you how many rows it's going to delete. Now just click it, and all the duplicate rows are gone. Now we have a list with unique domains only. So we have one backlink per domain. So one link from YouTube, one link from Google+, and so on. If you have any questions, just let me know. Hope it helps. Bye now.